Hello my friends! Today we'll be doing a cat eyeliner tutorial. My friend Katie requested a video on this, so we'll be going step by step and learning how to do that today. All you need is a liquid liner. You can also do this with a pencil, but today I'm going to show you how to do it with a liquid liner. If you've never been here before, my name is Julie, this is Jerry, and we're happy to welcome you to our Rainbows Are Circles Lifestyle and Wellness channel. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take our eyeliner and we want to think about where we're going to be putting this eyeliner, how it's going to flow on our eyelid. What you want to do is follow the line of the lower lid, and you're just going to kind of continue it upwards. Okay, so let's start there. And remember, you will probably have to practice this several times. So give yourself time when you're doing this so that you're not like doing it right before you're going to go out to a big party or something and then you're rushing and stressed out because it takes you a few times. So practice this first, have fun with it. I feel like that's the hardest part. So if you did that, you're good. The rest is going to be easier. You're going to start from the inner eye and then just follow the lash line. It helps to keep the brush flat as opposed to pointing inwards. Okay, so keep it kind of flat. And just make it a little thicker so that it kind of flows into it. So it gets a little bit thicker towards the outer edge. Again, you can make this more dramatic by lengthening this out or making the liner a little bit thicker. Okay, so let's try the other side. One side is usually easier, so my right side is a lot easier. Once you get the lines where you want them to be, then it's like, okay, now I can build on top of that and make things a little bit thicker, a little bit more dramatic. But for me, it's helpful just to start kind of light. I can clean this up a little bit, kind of thicken the line and smooth everything out. Water to just kind of clean up any parts that are not where I want them to be. Okay, so I removed it and now I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit one more time. There. That's it. We did it. So I already put on foundation first. I already curled my lashes first. And so I usually do my eyeliner after I do all that other stuff, and then I'll do my mascara last. And that's just because I find it's easier to apply the liner when my eyelashes don't have a lot of stuff on it yet. So I'm just gonna do my lashes now. And I did a full makeup tutorial, so if you wanna learn how to do foundation, concealer, eyebrows, all of that jazz, you can click on the video. I'll put it in the description below. I'm going to take my hair down now for the full effect. Ta-da! Okay, now just in case some of you are like, well, I do want a more dramatic look show me how to do a more dramatic eyeliner look. So let's just build on top of this so that you can see how you can go from something a little bit more subtle to something more dramatic. Okay, so this is the more subtle winged eyeliner look. And then we're gonna build on top of that. So again, I'm just gonna close my eye and then follow this lower lash line. Blend it in to the rest of my eyeliner. Here, I'm just going to go in with my wet Q-tip and just kind of clean that up. Because you probably removed a little bit of your foundation when you did this. Just clean it up like that. My name is Julie. This is Rainbows Are Circles, and I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and if you have requests for other videos, topics, tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to know when I put out a new video, you can subscribe to the channel to be notified. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.